Hey there, and how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector, and you are in my hangout. And today we are in my Bath and Beauty store because we are going to look at some of these Miniverse Make It Mini Fragrances, Series 1. And here is the UPC. And this shows a few of the different things you can make for it. But I'm going to tell you something ahead of time. I am not planning on making the actual fragrances. This is for the diorama. So I just want to see if the bottles scale to the dolls. So let's get started. So once you finally get into the capsule, it's got the two clear sides and the black centerpiece, much like the makeup series. Don't get me started on the makeup series. But I'm hoping that this one will be more fun. All right, so let's open this up and see what we have. Okay, so of course we start off with this Read Me First. This one is in English, French, and Spanish, and it just gives you some tips on how to safely use the stuff and how to make your storage and display unit, all that fun stuff. And now we're going to pull out this bag. Well, it's pretty. It's a little bit different than the other ones, and so this one looks like it has bergamot, all right, gardenia, all right, and passion fruit. And they have some packaging in here that I'm going to leave just like that because it's pretty. And oh, and here is the collector's guide. So Miniverse Make It Mini Fragrances Series 1. And here are the ones you can get. So you have your Amber series. Those bottles look pretty. Your Fruity one looks pretty. Fresh, woodsy, and floral. And honestly, they do all look quite nice. And so you can get a total of 15. And it looks like this one is, oh, I was hoping for that one. Okay, so we're getting this one, number 3, Fruity number 3. Okay, all right. So what do we have in here? Oh, that's kind of neat. And this little thing is kind of a neat thing too. You can use it as a display. And what you do is you take this and you slide it into here. Sometimes it'll go in easy and sometimes it doesn't. That time it did. And the drawer comes in and out, which I do think is a neat thing. And then you have your shelf that goes above it. So, I mean, it is a neat looking display if you're going to have one. And now in here, in this box, we have a pretty box. Okay, and here is the decanter. Right here, and it smells, it does have a scent, and I don't mind the scent too much. So let's see what's in this package here though. Oh, okay, so little things that you can kind of dip in to get a sense of the smell, right? And this one must be, oh, for mixing it. Okay, yep. But I am not making the perfume. I just want the bottle, and the bottle looks very pretty. So we'll put that on our shelf. Let's open the next one. This is future me, like after I've made everything else. Letting you know that if you do take the time to like a video really helps the algorithm. And so if you like what I'm making and you want to see more of it, just go ahead and hit that like, right? It's in here somewhere, I think, right? So thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that. It helps me out a lot. Okay, now on with the video. All right, so the next one is Fresh number 1. And the scents that come with it is cassis. Sure. We have orris, and bergamot again, okay? And this time, this is what the bottle looks like, which is very pretty. Let me get that out. All right, so here's the bottle. And again, I think it's quite pretty. So, and when you can open up the bottle, and you have this little bit, if you're wanting to do any of the perfume, but I have people in this house, they don't do real well with perfume, so it's another reason I'm not going to stress on making the perfume. All right, well, this one is going to be Woodsy number 2. The scents that come with it, we have bergamot again, all right, sakura, and cedarwood, all right? And like I said, the smells from here, they're subtle, they're actually kind of pleasant, but let's see what the canister looks like. All right, and the box for it is really pretty, by the way, too. So here's the canister, and they are a little large, but I mean, they don't have to be perfume bottles. I mean, they can become, vases, right? Because that would be pretty and unusual. Well, we will see, but here we go for that one. And I like how this one just kind of slides in and out. I'll be saving the box. Next one. All right. This time around is amber number 2. The scents are, raspberry. I could like that. Sandalwood. And amber. Okay. Now let's check out the bottle. There we go. Oh, okay, that's neat looking. And you can also just use these as just decorative pieces in their house, because that is definitely interesting looking. Oh, it's pretty. I like how it has the gradiating colors. Very nice. All right. Let's check the next one. All right, we have fruity number 1, which will be this one. So the scents for this are pear blossom, pastis again, and bergamot again, okay? And let's look at the canister. The box is really neat looking as well. Right, and here's the bottle. And again, it could be neat in the dollhouse just as is, or it could become a flower. You could stick a couple of flowers in there. It can be a vase. So I like these. I'm liking these so far. I'm happy with them. Okay, this time we have fruity number 2. We've gotten fruity number 3 and fruity number 2. And the scents that we have is vanilla, okay, orris, okay, and coconut. All right. And the bottle is look at this pretty box. These boxes are just so pretty. I'll be able to use these as well. And here is the bottle. Hey, it's pretty enough, right? Let's check out the next. Okay, we have Woodsy number 3. And the scents are cassis again, amber, and what's the last one? Cedarwood. Okay, well, woodsy, that makes sense, right? This box looks pretty neat too, and it's another one that slides out, I believe. Yep. Oh, that's a pretty looking bottle. Okay, it's pretty. It probably looked prettier with something in it, but still. Yes, I like them. Okay, so far I'm happy. Let's check the next. All right, now we have fresh number 3. That looks like a pretty bottle. And the scents for this one is mint, bergamot again, and jasmine. I like how they put these in these little bags like this. And then here's where it comes in. And there we go. And here's the actual bottle. So looks kind of neat, right? Right. We now have floral number 1. That is a good looking one there. So what floral number 1? So we have sakura again, okay, and jasmine and musk, okay. And here's the little box that comes in, and when you take it off, it opens up to reveal. Oh, isn't that pretty on the inside as well? That is pretty. That is nice. So, and here is the bottle. This time we have woodsy number 1. The scents are oud, cedarwood, and sandalwood. Let's get the bottle out. So I'm guessing this bottle must slide as well. Oh, that's pretty. I like this as well. So we have all 3 of the woodsy ones. All right, we now have floral number 2. I was really hoping for this one because it's not pretty. Oh, what should it smell like this? So we have rose, ooh, gardenia, and cactus. Okay, here's the box that it comes in. And oh, that's really pretty. That would make a good lamp base. Sorry. That is pretty. Very, very pretty. This time we have amber number 3. The scents for this one would be apple green, that's interesting, sakura, and amber. All right, the bottle is this one. So very pretty. Okay, well, there. So I got quite a few of them. None of these are doubles. Very nice. And let's see. So what did we get? All right. So we did not get amber number 1. And fruity. We got all 3 fruity ones. We got all 3 of the fruity ones. Nice. Fresh. Let's see for the fresh. I think we got 2 of the fresh ones. We did not get this one. We got all 3 woodsy and 2 of the 3 floral. We did not get that one. I would have liked that one, but wow, we really did a good job though. There's only a couple 3 of them that we didn't get. And I think they're really pretty. I do. I think that, like I said, I didn't get these to make the perfume. I got these because I really like the idea, the way the bottles look, and I think they can be used for other things. So, are they a good size for Barbie? Let's find out. Well, that brings us to the end of our video, and I do thank you for joining me while I got to finally take a look at some of these very beautiful bottles. I think I really like them a lot. Would I recommend getting them full price if you're just getting them for the bottles? Probably not. I would wait for, clearance or sale. But do I think they're worth getting? Well, yeah, I do. I think that they can make, I mean, they kind of scale for a perfume bottle if your person uses a crap ton of perfume, and, so yeah, they don't really scale perfume bottle wise. However, they can also, you can use them for other things, like, and in another video we will probably check out some of the other ways we can use these. But they're beautiful and I like them. So yeah, this wasn't a bad series. I didn't mix up any of the perfume, but just even in these little clothes things, I'm still having a waft of the scents, and it isn't unpleasant, I'll admit that. But I think it could be a lot very quickly. However, if you like perfume, or you have a youngin that wants to make some perfume, this would probably be fun because it doesn't look like it's horribly complicated. So yeah. And as far as the beaker bottles that come with them, well, I'm keeping those because, well, I may or may not have a doll who is a scientist. So this will still be perfect. So yay! So now, if you like this video, please hit like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. I love my subscribers. I know I keep saying it, but it remains true. My subscribers are the best people in the whole wide world. I can't help it. It just happens to be that way. And if you're not a subscriber, well, I provide a subscribe button. It's red, it says subscribe, it's on this side. And if you're watching this on a TV, it'll be somewhere up in here, I guess. It'll say subscribe. You just have to boop, and then you're a subscriber. And, well, have I mentioned how awesome my subscribers are? Well, yeah. Comment down below. If you take the time to comment, I will take the time to answer. I love hearing from you guys. It makes my day. And, sharing is caring. And I'm sure there are people who are seeing this out there and wondering, is it worth it? How do they scale for the dolls? And so I guess on how they scale, it would depend on what you want to use them for. If you don't care about how, like for me, I didn't care that they might be large for perfume bottles because I thought I could use them for other things. So for me, they scale just fine. So that would be a personal choice. But I do think they're darling, and especially I love this one. I think it's obviously very beautiful. So yeah, I guess I might recommend it, yeah. So now, on that note, though, I'm going to let you go. And no matter what time it is, whether it's morning, noon, or night, I do hope it's fantastic because you deserve fantastic things. And I'm out of here, so goodbye.